Fitkit FT200 series motorized treadmill with auto lubrication and auto inclination. Free installation and service all across India. After delivery, please contact us on 1800 100 0209 to register your installation. Note: service schedule varies location to location. Toll-free number: working hours 10 am to 6 p.m. on weekdays. Warranty: 1-year warranty against motor and 1-year warranty on parts and manufacturing defects. Suggested to use a proper stabilizer. Treadmill features LCD display: time, speed, calories burned, heart rate, mode, preset programs, Gfit app, MP3 speakers, port and cable. Wheel for transportation, auto lubrication, auto inclination, twister, MP3 speaker, massager, dumbbells, situps, foldable and easy installation. 12 preset workout programs for efficient workout and changeable modes to create a customized routine of exercises. Motor power 2.0 HP, peak motor power 3.0 HP. This treadmill can accommodate any user, from beginners to pros, from walkers to runners. Maximum user weight capacity 120 kg. Note: always choose a treadmill that has user weight capacity at least 20 kg as more than your current weight, since the impact weight increases during running. Speed range of 1 to 14 km/h with heart rate sensors on handlebars. Running surface: LXW, 48x 16.53 inches, 1230x 420 mm. Easy folding and unfolding with hydraulic drop-down system for more space-saving and easy mobility. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.